Surveyors in Faridabad play a crucial role in the construction industry by providing accurate measurements and assessments of land and property. They are trained professionals who specialize in determining the boundaries, dimensions, and characteristics of a piece of land. Surveyors in Faridabad use various tools and techniques to gather data, such as DGP systems, laser scanning, and traditional surveying equipment. Their expertise is essential in ensuring that construction projects are carried out correctly, and that there are no legal or boundary disputes in the future. One of the key services provided by surveyors in Faridabad is Scon design. Scon design refers to the design and layout of sewerage and drainage systems for both residential and commercial properties. Surveyors use their knowledge of topography, geology, and engineering principles to determine the most efficient and effective way to manage wastewater and stormwater runoff. By carefully planning the Scon design, they can ensure that the system is properly sized, has adequate capacity, and meets all regulatory requirements. Surveyors in Faridabad are responsible for conducting surveys to determine the exact boundaries of a property. This is crucial for property owners who want to know their property's limits to avoid any encroachments or disputes with neighbors. Surveyors use advanced measurement tools and techniques to accurately measure the dimensions and contours of the land. They also verify existing property lines and identify any encroachments or discrepancies. By providing accurate surveys, surveyors in Faridabad help property owners make informed decisions about their land and minimize the risk of legal disputes. In addition to land surveys, surveyors in Faridabad also provide services related to construction projects. They play a crucial role in site development by conducting topographic surveys to gather data about the existing conditions of the land. By giving precise measurements and evaluations of land and property, surveyors in Faridabad play a significant role in the building business. They are skilled experts who focus on figuring out a piece of land's dimensions, features, and borders. Various technologies and methods, including DGP systems, laser scanning, and conventional surveying equipment, are used by surveyors in Faridabad to collect data. Their knowledge is crucial for ensuring that building projects are completed appropriately and that there are no future legal or boundary conflicts. Scon design is one of the main services offered by surveyors in Faridabad. Sewerage and drainage systems for both residential and commercial premises are referred to as being in Scon design. The best way to manage wastewater and stormwater runoff is determined by surveyors using their expertise in topography, geology, and engineering concepts. They may make sure that the system is appropriately sized, has enough capacity, and complies with all regulatory standards by carefully considering the Scon design. In Faridabad, surveys must be carried out in order to pinpoint a property's precise borders. This is essential for landowners who want to be aware of the boundaries of their property in order to prevent encroachments or conflicts with neighbors. To precisely measure the size and contours of the land, surveyors employ